Hi, welcome to Lesson 7. In today's lesson, we will review the short U and E sound. The short U sound is like umbrella, and the short E sound is like elephant. There are 5 sections in this lesson plan. Plan to spend 3 to 5 minutes on each section. In section 1, ask your child to sound out words on the whiteboard from the word family lists in section 1 of your lesson plan. What about this word?
Mud.
Go the right direction like you sound out the word.
Mud.
Good job. As your child sounds out these words, make sure they put a dot under each letter as they say the sound and underline the word as they blend the sounds together.
Hub.
And this word?
Leg.
Good job. Spend 3 to 5 minutes sounding out words on the whiteboard. In section 2, ask your child to spell words from the spelling lists in section 2 of your lesson plan. Can you spell the word set?
Set.
Good job. Can you spell the word fun?
Fun.
Good job. If your child has trouble spelling words on the whiteboard, go back to the lesson for the sound that is difficult for them and spend more time on it before proceeding to this review lesson. Spend 3 to 5 minutes spelling words on the whiteboard. In section 3, review sight word flashcards with your child. There are no new sight words in this lesson today. Review the sight words from lessons 1 through 6.
4. It. 2. R.
Review flashcards for sight words that are challenging for your child more frequently. In section 4, ask your child to read the fluency sentences to you. This may be challenging at first, but with practice and repetition over several days, it should become easier. If it is too challenging, spend more time sounding out words on the whiteboard before proceeding to the fluency sentence section. Cora, let's read the fluency sentences. Point to the words as you say them.
Pug is wet. Pug is a pet. Gus fed Pug.
If reading the fluency sentences is difficult for your child, start with the first few sentences, which are easier, and work up to the longer sentences at the end of this section. If your child gets stuck on a word, write it on the whiteboard and sound it out like whiteboard work. Or review the sight word flashcard. And then reread the sentence. In section 5, ask your child to read the suggested books to you. If you don't have these books, don't worry. Just spend more time on fluency sentences or an appropriate level book that you have at home. Cora, let's read a book.
Lad and the Fat Cat. Lad and the Fat Cat. Lad had a fat cat.
Good job.
The cat is Kit. Kit sat in a box. Lad sat on a keg.
Yeah, let's practice that one on the whiteboard. It's a word we don't use very much. Can you sound it out?
K-e-g. Keg.
When you write it? Good job. Now try this sentence again.
Lad sat on a keg.
Finish reading the book and you're done with your lesson today. Plan to repeat this lesson several times before moving on to lesson 8. And also, remember to come back to this lesson in the future and review it. Thanks for reading with us today. We'll see you next time.